How to fix Smart Bro LTE disconnect APN fixed. If you want to fix if your 4G network or LTE shows disconnected and you're using a Smart Bro SIM card. Now, depending upon whichever SIM card you're using on your Android phone, I would recommend that you simply open up Settings. From Settings, of course, go to the option called Connections. Then there you can see the option called SIM Manager. Of course, here you can see more SIM settings, so go to more SIM settings, and here you can see a couple of options right here. Now what you can also do is go to this option called mobile networks, and here you can see access point names. Now from there, simply tap the three dots icon and select reset APN settings for your Smart Bro SIM card. After you've done that, you can select a network mode also to LTE. So if it doesn't support 5G, then select LTE. Then you can try to turn on or turn off other services here, and that should help you solve it. If it's still not helping you solve it on an Android phone, just come back and you can go to this option called General Management. From General Management, go to Reset, select Reset Mobile Network Settings, and select your SIM card and tap the Reset Settings. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.